Hello everybody and welcome back. Me and Maggie gonna do a little bit more on the boat. I already started off without you a little bit here. So I removed a couple of the braces for the benches and I also removed some of the top pieces and basically we're just about ready to pull out the last few pieces, which are aluminum, and they are held in here by some screws down there and some rivets on the sides here. Can't really see, but that's a rivet and that's a rivet. Pull those off, and then we'll pull the remaining guts out and start pulling the floor up, and then we'll be able to get this piece out. Let's get at it. Gotta go get my pry bar. There we have it. I've never actually dealt with these brazier rivets before, so I ordered all this tools and stuff to reinstall all of this stuff with the waterproof solid aluminum rivets, or brazier rivets. So we should be able to get this thing back together the way it was. We'll just take and cut out identical pieces of wood out of brand new treated plywood. We'll skin it the same way, reinstall it, foam it, reinstall it, that all will be good. One more side. Yeah, like I said, I've never done anything like this before. I'm a auto mechanic, but a little bit of common sense should be able to figure all of this stuff out. There we go. Okay, so last step, we'll pull the floor out. And it's riveted in, so it's just a bunch of drilling. There we go. Some good flotation. Good soundproofing. That's exactly why we're changing all this stuff. That's about right. This is what we're left with, just as I suspected. He reached as far as he could up and sprayed in there. Be a little bit of cutting to get that stuff out. But I don't mind that, it was just foam laid in there because that's going to be easy to clean it up. Watch out! Well, this is what we have up in the bow. I cut all of this stuff out after I lift that last panel out. Not too sure how I'm going to do it yet. This kind of floats. It's not really secured anymore. Didn't put enough rivets in, or big enough rivets, and they have sheared off. This side not so much. It's pretty good, but somehow this has got to come out. It's not really secured anywhere, I don't think. I'm gonna have to nip that wire though. Rock solid with ice.